Okay, I just wanted to do a quick introduction of the Tenmarks website and get you a little bit further on down the road to using this properly. I'm going to go ahead and continue a track that I started, or at least I brought up earlier today. Now, I have not done any of these 10 questions. When I as a teacher post a track, I can choose 10 or 20 questions. The majority of the time I'm going to choose 10. Our goal is to see if we can get this question right the first time using as many resources as possible. First of all, if you've been watching the videos and keeping up with your homework, you should be able to get through all 10 questions without a problem. But some of them might be a little trickier. So there are hints available over here. There's going to be a total of 3 hints available for every question. Once you go through the hints, if you're still confused, you can go ahead and pull up a video that allows you to get more information on how to do that particular problem. I see this video looks like it may have been misplaced, but I'm not sure. Anyway, you have these resources available to you. You can always save and do later also if you want to. But when you're using these hints and watching these lessons, you'll find that it affects what's called your comprehension score, and I'll go through that in a minute. Right now, I am just going to put anything in for my answers. And you can see I put in 2, 3, 4, and it took a minute for it to actually appear. So you might have to be patient with this website. You have to be patient every time you're on the internet. So I have no idea what the answers to these things actually are. I'm just going to put in numbers to make a point to you. Seven, 8, 9, and finally the 10th question. And it will give me a chance to review it. Now I've got 20% correct, and what I have over here is a summary of what my score is so far. I got 2 correct, 0 partially correct, and 8 flat out incorrect. If I'm happy with this score, I can submit my answers. If I'm not, I can go back and start working on some of the problems I got wrong, which may be the best thing for you to do. And I'll go ahead and just click. Maybe I'll get some of these right this time, and we'll get back to where I was, and you'll see that now it gives me, because of my poor performance on this, it gives me what is called an amplifier. It actually gives me a lesson to watch so that I can try and fix the errors I made on this track. So this program is really created to help you get to mastery on just about all the topics we're going to cover. You'll find that after you start this lesson and finish it, it's going to repost the track over again so that you can do the track and see if this time around you have a better understanding of the topic. So I suggest, if you get through this and your score is still in the red, that you take this lesson, start it, come into resource, but please try and use the hints and videos. I don't even care if you have to stop the lesson and go to the internet or go back to the videos we've had for homework and study them. But the goal is to be able to do these 10 questions and get them correct. I can repost tracks if necessary. You just have to email me. All right, thanks.